Good morning, and welcome to Bliss Meditation Academy. I'm thrilled to have you with me on this morning affirmation session. Before we begin, I have something special to share. Our vibrant Discord server, offering free access to exclusive courses, live streams, expert advice, and a supportive community of like-minded individuals. Now, let's dive into our affirmations and set the tone for the day filled with positivity and purpose. Feel free to either listen along or repeat the affirmations that are spoken. I am safe, and everything is going to be okay. I release all worries and fears. I trust in the journey of life. I am worthy of love and happiness. I choose to focus on the present moment, letting go of the past. I am resilient. I can overcome any challenges that come my way. I am surrounded by love and support, even in difficult times. I trust in my ability to handle whatever comes my way. I am capable and strong, and I believe in myself. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness, and I claim these blessings with confidence and gratitude. I am confident in my abilities and trust in my inner wisdom to guide me towards my goals. I release all fear and doubt, stepping into my power with confidence and clarity. I am grounded, centered, no matter what challenges come my way. I am open to new experiences and opportunities for growth. I let go of the past and live fully in the present moment. I release all fears of the unknown, and I embrace the beauty of uncertainty. I am worthy of love and respect, both from myself and others. I am deserving of peace, joy, and fulfillment in every moment. I am strong. I have the power to overcome any obstacle that may come my way today. I am capable of achieving my goals and my dreams, no matter how big they may seem. I trust in my ability to handle whatever challenges come my way. I release all negativity and embrace the beauty of my life. I am a beacon of positivity, spreading light and inspiration to those around me. I embrace uncertainty as an opportunity for growth and discovery. I trust in the process of life. I am aligned with my purpose, and I pursue my passions with enthusiasm and determination. I am a powerhouse for positivity, radiating confidence, optimism, and enthusiasm. I am a magnet for success, attracting opportunities and abundance into my life. I am the master of my fate and the captain of my soul, creating a life of purpose and fulfillment. I am grateful for the lessons that challenges bring, knowing that they strengthen me and prepare me for success. I am capable of achieving anything that I set my mind to, and I approach challenges with confidence and determination. Finally, say out loud to yourself, I am resilient. I am adaptable. I overcome any obstacle with grace and perseverance. I am worthy of love and happiness. I invite you to sit with the feeling of freedom and happiness as you start your day. If you want to deepen your practice, Our vibrant Discord server offers free access to exclusive courses, live streams, expert advice, and a supportive community of like-minded individuals. Join us today and experience the transformative power of community on your meditation journey. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I pray for your happiness.